In example 2, we introduce the operation of scalar multiplication, which is basically the process of taking a matrix and multiplying it by a constant number. For instance, in part A, we are given a 2 by 2 matrix A, and we are asked to calculate 2 times A. So the process here to perform scalar multiplication is pretty simple. If we want to calculate 2A, we simply take all of the entries of A and multiply them by 2. So 2A would be minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6, 5 times 2, 4 times 2, and 1 times 2. Okay? So it's as easy as that. Now, in part B, we have another matrix A, and in this case, we want to multiply by the scalar 3. So, and there's nothing special about these numbers. I'm just choosing them for examples. We can multiply any matrix we want by any scalar we want. But if I multiply this matrix A by 3, the result will be 3, 12, minus 6, 9, minus 3, and 15. Okay, so now in part C, let's look at, we're going to combine the concepts of scalar multiplication with matrix addition. So in this case, I want to calculate 3A plus 2B for the given matrices A and B. Well, first, let me calculate 3A and 2B. 3A is going to be minus 6, 6, 9, and minus 12. And I want to add to that 2B, which would give me 6, 8, minus 4, and 10. So when I add these two matrices together, I get minus 6 plus 6, which is 0, 6 plus 8, which is 14, 9 minus 4, which is 5, and minus 12 plus 10, that gives me minus 2. Okay, so this is the answer for part C. Moving on. In D, I have two 3 by 3 matrices, A and B, and I want to calculate 2A minus 5B. So just like before, I'm going to start by calculating 2A. That gives me 12, 0, minus 4, 8, minus 6, 6, 0, 10, 12. Then I'm going to subtract from that 5 times B. 5B is 5, 10, minus 5, 15 minus 20, 0, and 5, 0, 5. So now I subtract these two, one matrix here from the other. 12 minus 5 is 7. 0 minus 10. Minus 4 minus negative 5. 8 minus 15. Minus 6 minus a negative 20. So minus 6 plus 20. 6 minus 0. 0 minus 5. 10 minus 0. And 12 minus 5. Okay. So now I have two more examples. There's nothing incredibly new here. If you've understood the examples up to this point, these last two examples won't include anything surprising. I want to calculate 2A plus 3B. So 2 times A is 8 minus 4, 6, 12, 6, minus 10. And I want to add to that 3 times B. So I get 3, 12, minus 6, 9, minus 3, and 15. I add these together to get 11. 8, 0, 21, 3, and 5. And this last example is very similar. I first need to calculate 4a. So that gives me 8, 0, minus 12, 20, minus 8, and 4. And I want to subtract from that b. So that's 5, 4, minus 3, 12, 0, 2. So when I perform the subtraction, I get 3 minus 4, minus 12 minus negative 3 is minus 9. 20 minus 12 is 8. Minus 8 minus 0 is minus 8. And then 4 minus 2. Okay, so that's the result for part F.